Good evening, everyone. I just wanted to give a quick update on the she shed and some things that we have been working on. As you can see, a lot has changed. We have electricity, and I want to quickly just explain exactly how we did some of the updates with the she shed. For one, the she shed is being powered by a solar panel, which Tyler actually installed at the top on the roof. So we can get ready to head in. We still have a lot more to do, but the trimming for the most part is done. We're going to finish painting and finish some of the minor and major detailing. So we've got the electricity installed here. Tyler did all of the wiring for that, as you can see. And he was able to basically put in all of the wiring for the solar panel to also convert the solar power into usable energy electricity for the she shed. As you can see, we've got the windows completed, the trimming is also done, and he's put in can lights that you can see here. We're just going to go through, well, I'm going to be doing some painting this evening, but the walls, we've got to put one more coat onto the walls, but the framing for the windows are complete and everything is looking pretty good. We also have some flooring. This is our LET flooring that we put in. And we also have a pretty cool fan that also lights up as well.